What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Today is a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day. First of all, it's a very beautiful day because it looks amazing outside. It feels amazing. Second of all, it's because I'm thankful for all my, what was it, 60 something views in my last video and 31 subscribers. Keep it up. Thank you. Fucking dang. All right, and third, you might want to listen to this one. Got a little surprise for you guys. You're gonna have to stay till the end and watch the video. But there's a surprise for y'all, and I guarantee you're gonna want to stay and listen. Yeah. But good luck to y'all. And let's go. Let's have a good day. Alright, guys, and fourth of all, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all my mobile home, my trailer, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna be showing y'all the outside. It's kind of ugly at first, but I mean, I think I did an okay job in making it look a little better. You know, it's a little better. So let's get started. Let's stop talking. Let's get started. Let's go. All right, what's up? Look, we started good, and then look at this window. On this window, I had to replace. That's why I paused it. It was a big old mess. But let's keep going. So you see this plastic thing, this vinyl. This was the hard part. I had to take all that yellowy, creamy stuff looking. I had to take that all off. You see, all of it off. Those blue things too. And then there was a window right there where you can tell, but I covered it from the inside. Yep, covered it from the inside. And I had to cover it outside. So I'm gonna pause it here too, because underneath the windows, they always get bad. Whenever it's like an older trailer, they always get bad, and you have to replace it, or you have to like fix it up, or you have to put new wood. But yeah, all that creamy looking stuff I had to take off, and it was not fun. It was very hard. But look at this, let's stop. Alright guys, so right here I'm showing y'all, like, I took off all the creamy stuff and vinyl things that I told you about, and I didn't get to get a video of that, like, after I took everything off. And then I didn't get to get a video of, like, me putting those sheets of cement. Alright, what's up, guys? Look at that window. Remember I told you I replaced it? There you go. Looks a lot better now. So right now I'm showing y'all all the trim I put on the windows. Like, to the people who don't know what trim is, it's just to make the windows and doors look a little better, so they just won't be plain. You see that little square box around the window? Yeah, that's called the trim, and that's what I was putting. And I was also putting, you see how on the cracks of each sheet there is a crack, or you put a 1x4 in the crack. Supposedly it helps so the water won't get in. There goes my brother drinking some beer. But yeah, so the water won't go in. But yeah, but after it's all painted, it looks a lot better. You'll see. Look at that, bam, look at that paint. Those trims, I know there were different colors on the other side, but right here I was putting the skirting at the bottom, as you can tell. But damn, look at that, bam, I'm finally done with it. The septic tanks were there. But look at all that pretty whiteness, the little cream at the bottom. Ooh, boy, look at that bad boy. I think it came out better than how it was, I tell you that. I'm sorry for all the plastic and paper. It came by real quick, and I had to record before I moved on. But look at that bad boy. Let's go. So we came to the very end of the video. I'm so glad y'all, so thankful that I stayed till the end, because I told y'all I had a surprise for y'all. And I sure do. And it's gonna be good. Alright, so I'm thankful for something. At the beginning of these videos I've done of remodeling my trailer, mobile home, whatever, I've been thankful for something. Well, actually, two things. And the first two people that comment what I'm thankful for and reach out to me are gonna get $50. I know it's not a lie, but 2 people are gonna get $50. So comment, find a way to contact me. I'm gonna have my my social media down so you can send me a message, because we're gonna have to get in contact to send you the money or whatever. So yeah, you have to contact me too though, and make sure you're subscribed. You gotta show me that you're subscribed too. All right then, 2 people, first 2. Let's go.